if I tell you say COVID affect our system in Ghana, you don't need to argue on it.
Okay,
because arguing on it, it tells you say you are not truthful person. Because what I'm saying is true. In Ghana, they should thank Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo and MPP's governor. Even though we are not perfect, but the training make a man perfect. We are about to be perfect, and we are heading towards perfect. And we are the best government who can provide the best economy in the history of Ghana politics. Who to free education by who and now the free education who can say
okay, Medan say, Mami Famukaila Jonah said, yeah, Kerry. Also, youth unemployment has been a canker from scratch. Nonetheless, MPP have been phenomenal in youth transformation. Talk about NYEP NAPCO, youth in afforestation, Zoom Lion YE NEP 1D1F, which will eventually see a chunk of the youth in employment, etc. As against Mahama mocking at the youth that he is not a magician to give them jobs. So it is clear that NDC simply have no clue when it comes to addressing unemployment issues. This is why we continue to appeal to Ghanaians to keep the trust in MPP for more jobs opportunities if we stay long in office. Regards to Justin Kuria Frimpong. Where you Mukaila Jonas and not the buyer. What for Kid if you no plan to no plan teaching or some Jerry? Please tell the NDC man in your studio, Tom, that Ghanaians are not ready for indecisive and incompetent governments. Again, greetings to Bosis Sabo, we Wafakid or the by nuclear station. When so say, how can MPP tell Ghanaians NDC has no moral right to talk about fuel increment? And Addo and Bamia told Ghanaians John Mahama was wicked and doesn't think about Ghanaians. We thought they would never increase the fuel by 1 peso when assumed office as president. Now everything has gone up. Now we've been urinal in Accra is 40 pesos. Kwekume isen or the Fiafianya Mata Eko. We say His Excellency Nana Addo is a real gift of God for African continent. Let's be together and support him for better Ghana. Women's Domi Pele 2. We so say we are in the days of 1983. Under this government, hunger and starvation has taken the center stage of every home. Cost of living is very high. Parents struggles to feed their child 3 times daily due to the poverty and hardship. Clearly, things are falling apart, and the center cannot hold. Akufo Addo has really disappointed us. Positive change on the Medina in Accra. Well, it's a good evening, McJerry, please.
Be a $1 unto £1 unto Obia no beto amao but ene obeto nose mask ene ese ukuta hand sanitizer ewo usam ene ese o make sure say ube COVID test even ye Ghana ha uba back to efie kura ese o ye test na o prove say we negative. This is why I'm telling you say COVID-19 are affecting our economic in Ghana. Take it or leave it. But still, we'll be able to manage. In between that, you know. Yet me amao. She know. Yanya she. MPP nya she. Matthias here. But Ghana. Yawa abrabobi ayebo. Schools ahun do send yawo. Akola timi we legon. Wotifie. One she. Abetina ne maame ne papa so. Akola timi we tech campus aya. Abetina ne maame ne papa so. Tamale, Tamasco, Ganasco, Abetrani Papansa, Esuna Jing and Asunyansa, and on Mampini and Adoka say, even if you can't give the boy a job, please provide something for the children, for them to be able to know, say, there is hope tomorrow. Future the time when you wake up in the morning and see your life is going, even if it is 10 seconds or 10%. It tells you, say, tomorrow, a tina ebeye clean amount. Now, Omampenia creating NAPCO. NAPCO. Say, Bosume Swa. Utifia na wa register. Di ehua kachia. Diska. Oh. Yeah, Kasama. You don't understand. I don't know who can count. I don't know who can count.
And your employment, Anna.
Oh. How many years?
Note your points down. Note your points down. Ali to us.
But send you 700
cedis.
Me don't know me secretaries be office you 500. The Kaminyami Sumna and Amity radio so I make us say. Ejima Kofo go home, Yejima Okroma, Echomu 300. Students could be a whole Mukosku or my being or more office or much attended. The leaks are 1,000. Go and check it and cross check. Do this homework for me. A lot of secretaries, a lot of office, Omuji less than 1,000 cities. You don't respect what boosts your economic in your country. You sitting here, you tell me you're a communicator. What are you communicating? Are you deceiving people? You have a gas to say NAPCO Nyejima. Who tells you that NAPCO doesn't play an impact on our economy? What is the economy? We are speaking based on facts and figures. Touch like no. What we prove here, but not radio. Touch like the difference. Touch like different.
Who you be a ultimate contract? Who you be a work connection? Contractor. The embassy must know of you. So the woman contacted the embassy. Say, on this so and so, call into a business agreement. But a person who say, oh, you're affiliated to the embassy. And Ambassador Bewa said, Debbie, Mari Buedu no cry no. Na onye any member or a government appointee. Ambassador Bewa born your year. The fact say the man was able to tell the lady say, Sebe, Mari Buedu any solar panel contract biya. Na ono de say president ni ya onim. Eno ano no. Papa ne born your year ano no yenko time. Ambassador Bewa ne body or ya ne say Ambassador Bewa ne body or ya ne say Oti Mari Buedu to say obwa onya ambassador na wonni contract bi abetumi de ama obi a no tu na ni di see ne so. Woman has made it a point to say so far as ofori atanmo reject no, so far as sebe eye contract ya ope abono, so far as the ono hwehwe afri Ghana ho wanya ne de kwan bi o nam so a ode aban ne beba from no de ne beba from na ki biem one time. We need to start getting smart. We tell the American Ghanaians need to start thinking. Now, and then I say, should the laws of Ghana work, or do we really want the laws of Ghana work? No, we don't want the laws of Ghana to work, and that is my stand. Me no me say, no. Oh, na Ghana di assembly ni ye juma monche no opa ko chini sesi ahwe. Abeka sa aban ne nyaade. Abeka sa IGP nye. And IGP way, and oba and wachichi yen krofo, and IGP nta IGP na konkwachi omo a mpo ma asem no. Ana meboa. Omo nye hwe kura, ompe na asem nti wonkwachi om. And IGP way there, and I then a police, and a police got you biswa, and a police are got you funny face, and then a police are got you shatawale, and a police are got you funny face. Yeah, Ghana for. Ah, Tiwi, Tibonko so for the Dawson. Ghana, Tibonko so for no, yeah, Dawson. In one breath, I'm running your Juma. Only when it doesn't catch me, there, I'm running your Juma. Embrane chimedia any aban way there political way chant and aban way and IGP and kochi dia mempena sem dia sembrane ye adwuma say dia embrane ye adwuma wa chi no hey bobo diola sofo bobo diola sofo ye mfa fact nye adwuma da ye mfa fact nye adwuma da. And IGP no so sorry say ye kunkum nkrofo and ye kunkum nkrofo and ye kunkum nkrofo yo yate na ne wire free say earlier on obi akoka say ye be kidnap nkola ye be kidnap ma ye be twitwa electricity wires ye be hye transformers ye be hye banks no common sense for na anwene sa common sense no